NASDAQ on the market this week has jumped around these two price levels, where we can see the week has started with this bullish candle and it has risen in value, where the price stopped right here at 16819.32 with the candles open and close and then bouncing back down. We can see that the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle, where I have expected that the price will make a retrace back up and then continue to fall down, confirming this engulfing candle. But for now, it's very hard to predict where are the supply zones and also where are the support and resistance levels, because these levels where the currently price is were never has been explored before, so it's very hard to predict where the price could go based on the supply demand zones, because they are formed around support and resistance levels that traders has been following in the past, so it is expected to follow also in the future. So for now, what we can see, it's still bullish where the price has risen in value, so it will be much clearly visible on the weekly time frame that this week has been a bullish one. So we can see that the prices continue to rise in value and it has formed a small bullish candle on the weekly time frame, but currently it is between these two price levels, which is 17,000 and also below that 60,400. On the monthly time frame, it is also a bullish one, where we can see that the price is forming a bullish breakout to the upside on the monthly time frame, and that is bullish breakout on the 16,400 price level. For now, the price has formed this strong bullish candle, and also we have one more week until this month ends. So we'll see how this closes next week. But for now, as it looks, if we take a look on the smaller time frames, everything looks bullish, and also on the daily time frame, the price is trying to reach higher price levels. For now, the next level that the price needs to break is 16,800. We can see it here on the chart, 16819. Very important level for the price that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to rise in value. So this is the currently level, but also I will also make this one here a resistance level for the price where the price is stopped. So visualization only up to the daily time frame. This is something that I will put here, and I will set shapes and also a supply and demand zones around this one. And what we can do is this one. Just a minute. Okay, and rectangle properties, change the visualization up to daily time frame. And here it is. So this is the first level, and also currently a supply zone for the price that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to rise in value. So for now, this is it for the next week analysis. Very important levels are in front of the price, so I'm expecting the price to rise in value, but also I need to see the price making a breakout to the upside in order to confirm that bullish momentum. If the price returns back down and also closes below this one, which is also a very important level currently for the price, it is 16,600 that needs to hold for the price in order to prevent sellers pushing the price even more down to this one, which is 16,400, sorry. So if you would like also to see what is the entry level with the stop loss take profit level, I will share for the next week. You can also join trading community that has a link below in the description. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.